Okay, hi everybody, welcome back to another Matthews modelling. Welcome to something a little bit different, a little bit unique, but just my style. So what we have here is a kit bashed Knightwing diesel shunter. Quite an old kit is a Knightwing shunter kit. It's a kit I've had a play with many a times before, but I have had a couple of them stashed away for a rainy day, and I decided I'd get one out and have a play with it. So what we've got here is an incredibly shortened body, and that's now running on a Hornby Ruston 48DS chassis. That was the plan, and thankfully it did work. Just to give you some reference of how much this has been shortened by, the Knightwing kit isn't much shorter than the Class 08. So as you can see on the side by side, you know, we've shortened it by a good half there. Much more interesting, much more unique, much more my style. So the cab is original, the bonnet front radiator is original, but obviously the bonnet length is where the difference comes in. To hide the joins, we have used the air tank that comes in the kit, and if I flip it around on the other side, we have fitted some bonnet step ladders. So these just hide where the cut is along the bonnet length. It fit quite nicely, to be fair, on the chassis. The cab slots nicely down behind the buffer beam, so there was very little work to do there. And then the radiator again just sits nicely behind the sandboxes. It was literally only the length of the bonnet that needed, you know, the adjustment. As for livery, we then went for an all over yellow. I did add some detailing parts, so I added an aluminium exhaust there. There's also a 3D printed horn as well, just on the cab front. But yeah, all over yellow with some black accents, so black radiator, black window surrounds, and then I thought a grey roof would finish it off nicely. The chassis does have red buffer beams, but this is a Ruston chassis that I use with a different 3D printed body that I have as well. And the red buffer beams suit that really well. So yeah, quick rundown of it all for you. Wash stripes on the air tank there, just because it does protrude off of the side of the running plates. I thought maybe some wash stripes on there would make sense, and just add to the quirkiness of it. Heavily weathered after that. So hope you like it. There is going to be some photos at the end just showing the build. And then we'll finish with some running shots of this with a recently completed Parkside wagon kit as well that I've just finished. Alright, so hope you like it, comments welcome, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, bye bye.